Hello, everybody. And you're not seeing double, you're seeing two versions. This is going to be a unique unboxing today because I just happened to get both versions of one certain game from my childhood. Not necessarily the greatest game, but not many did come out on the Sega CD. So, just for some backstory, this one here is for the PlayStation. And of course, this one here is a little obvious. I got it for the Switch. Originally, when I started investing in limited run games, I thought I was going to collect for the PlayStation as well, but I went another way and now I'm exclusively Switch. So we're going to unbox these, see if there's any differences between the two versions. One big difference, I do know that I acquired a little keepsake from my PlayStation purchase, and this, I think I just got a card. This is a slide from one of the scenes. But other than that, what's inside the box? That's what we find out today. Are there any differences? Stick around. Let's have some fun. So we'll take this out of frame. That was a nice little gift. The first thing you'll notice is, right off the bat, the PlayStation and the older version is a lot better wrapped. More care to the actual shrink wrapping. The Nintendo one is like a little sloppier. But other than that, it looks like Nintendo likes ratings. Limited Run has, this is kind of their new thing, putting their logo in the corner. And then the Switch logo is like tattooed everywhere on this one. So this one also looks a little bit cleaner. Comparison. And then the description is a little bit bigger on this one. This one needs to make way for this like white bar. And this one's numbered and this one's not. Weird. Now that we got through that, let's get the safety scissors out and start opening these up. Let's start off with the Switch version, just because it's easier to get into with the loose shrink wrap. And there she is without the shrink wrap. Now, what's inside? The design of the boxes seem like they're almost identical. There it is. Right inside, first thing you see is the game. Oh, the whole center pulls out. So we'll set this aside. First off, what slid out was the poster. If you'd like to see what that looks like, I'm sure there's plenty of pictures on the internet. Here's the soundtrack. Can't have a game without its soundtrack. Wow, who knew I had that much? Aw, sticker. a mini script. Of course, the game. And for the most part, just cardboard to house all of it back in. That's a cute little script. And that is the inside of the Switch version of Corpse Killer. 25th anniversary. And I apologize, this is actually what's inside the Nintendo Switch version of Corpse Killer 25th Anniversary Edition. I left out the poster. I'm sorry. And now for the gripping conclusion to what's in the Corpse Killer box? This one is the original one I purchased. This is the PlayStation one. This shrink wrap job was a little bit tighter, so to find a spot, there we go. Safety scissors. We found somewhere. All right, there's that. I don't know what I'm going to do with both of these. One of these I'm going to pack away. One I'm going to display. Maybe instead of packing away, I'll throw it on the internet. But as for today, this one seems to open a lot nicer than the other one. Again, we have the insert slide out. And of course the game is bigger because it's PlayStation. So there's the PlayStation version. This is a little bit different. So the poster is actually tucked in here. So here's that soundtrack again, with the sticker, the mini script, and the poster is like different. Oh goodness, look at this. The whole insert is a little bit different. I'm gonna have to do a comparison of inserts now. Alright, you ready? Almost identical, but oh, so it is a... Alright, that is the original design. And then all they did was to make up for the size difference between the Switch cartridge and the PlayStation disc, is add one of these. Oh, epic. So different folds to the poster, slightly different inserts. A little bit different, but as for the inside, we're exactly the same. The only difference are what game of choice. And the first time around, they did throw in a little slide, so I have to throw that in there. I am not opening these up for various reasons. I'm probably going to throw this one online. I don't care to have a PlayStation version, but this one, I'm going to put in plastic. So, let's see how we can script. Project Manpower. Soundtrack. Sticker. And two different kinds of folds to the same poster. And there is what's inside the Corpse Killer 25th Anniversary limited run large box version. I hope you enjoyed, and hope to catch you next time. if you stuck around long enough for this part of the video, I don't really show this part. So when I get done with all of this, I kind of pack it away and usually use it as a display piece. So I want to show you kind of the process in which this is a little new because it's 2 in 1, but how I repackage a reboxing per se. So start off, we're going to do the poster because that one's a little unique. It fit right back into here. So we're going to try to get that back in its original location, which looks like that was a success. Alright. With that, we had 2 soundtracks. Well, I just kind of look at which one I think is in a nicer condition, which looks like this one. So that one will go back here under this flap right here. And then this one, well, hell, let's put it in the old family wagon and see if the family wants to jam to Corpse Killer this Halloween. I'm not going to go on many car trips this Halloween. Then we got the stickers. The stickers, we're going to just put both of them because I don't really think I'm going to stick up a Corpse Killer sticker anytime soon. This I'm going to put right here. That's my slide. And then we have two scripts. This one, I decide we'll take this one. We'll put that there. Let's see. Fold over. And it feels like a success. Yeah, it seems like the flap has to stay down. Now, since this is the Switch version that I'm going to keep, I need to keep the little divider, slider, adapter, so that if I decide to use a disc, take it out, decide to put my Switch cartridge back in, I have this adapter. Alright, now the outside I decided to keep was the one that was less, I don't know, less marked up with Switch logos. So, if I remember correctly, this went in here, like so. I have a little bit of a snag. You have to push in the sides, it feels like. Slide that in there. Make sure this gets tucked in. And if you remember correctly on this one, because of the size of the poster, hopefully that goes in nicely. So far, so good. You know, from what I would do, kind of squish the sides and let it go in like that. That way you don't hurt the sides. I think I'm going to turn it around just so it displays the name. So slide it like so until it pretty much goes. You gotta keep a little area for the flap to go back in. And there she is. And the flap should go in without hurting the poster. Whew, that one did not go as smooth as I thought. But we got through it together. Team unboxing. Now, I go a little step above. I watched a lot of Twin Peaks when I was younger, so I like to wrap things in plastic. So, am I allowed to say Twin Peaks? The one thing you want to remember is however you display it, the spine should not have the part where the seal exposed. Like that. You don't want that showing. The seam. And just like you did with the box, make sure the flap doesn't go into the original flap. It should go outside. And there she is. I will do the same for the cartridge. Because the plastic is around the cartridge, it goes a lot smoother. That's how I imagined the whole reboxing process would have went. Thank you for sticking around. Hope you have a wonderful Halloween this year and a wonderful holiday season. I may see you around for one more video. I may see you next year, but thank you for everything this year. And thank you for watching today and in the future and in the past. Have a wonderful day.